Hi friends, I'm Ruth and welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to day 8 of our 12 days of Christmas series. Today I'm sharing with you a simple paper Christmas tree. This can also be called as book page Christmas tree, as it is usually done with old book pages. But since I didn't have any book that I could tear or my heart would allow me to tear, I did one with newspaper. I'm going to do one with normal computer paper. So without further ado, let's get started. Step 1 is to take your paper of choice. I have taken 4 plain computer papers. This can also be one-side used computer papers, and then I'm folding it. Depending on the size of your tree, it can be big or small. And I folded it in half. Next I am tearing it. And again folding it in half. And this is going to give me a fuller tree. Next, taking a sketch pen, I'm going to draw out half of a tree. Now that this is done, I'm going to cut it out. Then I took the easy route and stapled them together at the midpoint. You can also stitch it if you want. And then I tried to fluff it up by turning over the pages. This would also look good with a green paper. And as an added touch, I took a green sketch pen and outlined the edges of the tree. You can also do it with paint. And that's it. Your DIY Christmas trees are ready. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye-bye.